New levels of protection while shampooing with the only nanotechnology in the beauty industry. I'm Alexis Boyle, a stylist at New Beginnings by Roy Evans in Memphis, Tennessee. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more of these tutorials.
But you know, I like being pretty blonde, so. Alright, here we go. I'm doing 25. I'm going to put something there because I'm going to put this under the dryer.
I'm going to do a full highlight here because she's got some outgrowth and she wants to be a poppin' blonde. I chose to add 1 pump of the Nanomeg to her lightener to make sure that her hair would be protected, because I do want to put her under the dryer so that she gets that bright platinum that she so desires. And I know I can do that with Nanomeg because it's going to insulate the hair shaft, keep it from burning, and it's going to keep my bleach intact. These are the 3 products that I selected to style Jessica today, starting with the No. 3 styling spray used as a cutting lotion. It's going to give me a little bit more grip since her hair is short. Then I'm going to blow dry her with the No. 3 styling foam because her hair has been highlighted. And although her hair is fine, she does have quite a bit of it. So I want to finish up with the Moisture Shine Spray for oily scalp, because she has gotten greasy in the past, and this probably won't be the last. Alright, just want to show what we look like during processing. So you see I'm getting an even lift here, but there's no swelling of the bleach, which is usually an issue whenever you do put bleach under the dryer. So just a few more minutes and we're going to be icy white. You know, I have had your hair tangled before, but this time, this is just live. So this I am using as a cutting lotion, but it also has heat protection. This, I think you got all the light you need. So I probably could have done something for some combability, but this gives me a little bit more grip, which I need for cutting. See, that's why you're supposed to start at the bottom. Okay, so I guess what he didn't want, and I thought that maybe he did want, is showing, yeah, like in working time, how do the products work? How long does it take for the hair to dry? How does the hair respond to it? You know, how does it look while you're using it? Because he had the color additive, which I did use in your
in your bleach, and then you know, styling products like these are brand new, and he introduced them to me, and he's like, you know, look, I've been working on these for, you know, years, and you know, I've got this patented technology in them. And he's like, really? There's nothing else like it? He said, I know that every time I've presented something, you know, but this is the real deal. Like, and he really wants it to where, you know, all of us here use his stuff as a main line. And I agree. I mean, that's cool, you know. And he's like, look, I will, I just want you to tell me, you know, how do you like it? Do you see a difference? And honestly, I do. I'm not going to, you know, tell him, look, okay, yeah, because he, you know, he told me to say, no, man, if it doesn't work, I'm going to say it. But if it does work, I am going to say it. And I think people wanted to see it, you know, because, yeah, anybody can say something works, but does it? I mean, and the thing is, does it work consistently? And over time, am I going to be, you know, impressed with the result? And so, okay, I'm going to use this to blow dry. You see it? Styling foam. Okay, 4 pumps. This is all, y'all. I mean, this time, really. I have learned, finally, in my life that less is more. So. But anyway, yeah. So how often have you been shampoo? You still shampoo every day?
Not every day. Probably like every Thursday.
Okay, that's good. That also kind of, I know you know it seems counterintuitive to people who do have oily hair, but it will slow down your oil production if you slow down shampooing.
Yeah.
So what I will not do, like I said, is use anything with oil. Now he has that spray with for oily scalp, and this is a debut. Like I am about to find out if it works. So that's the one thing that I use.
I mean, it
But
looks
that
pretty good.
phone, the phone. I'm gonna pump you up and shine you. Alright. Wow, cannot believe it though. Hair, it's not greasy. And it blow dried really, really, really quickly. I didn't have to use a lot in there.
Oh, that feels good. She's so cute.
Okay, so here it comes for oily scalp. Okay, y'all see, that's the one. I'm grabbing the right one because this one, you do not need any extra. That's all I'm going to do. I did from the back. I'm going to do one from the front. Okay, so let me comb through. But I'm glad you like it. I'm glad it feels good.
Yeah, I'm really happy with this.
All right. Yeah, let me just do a slow turn around. Just don't worry about that. Just go on and slow. Go on and slow.